OWON XDM1041, XDM1241 and a half-digit bench digital multimeter, high precision, True RMS, SCPI control. The OWON XDM1041, mains powered, and XDM1241, battery powered, are high-end, high-resolution bench multimeters built for lab, workshop, repair work, or serious hobbyists. They combine True RMS measurements, multiple measurement functions, data logging, and SCPI command support in a compact, user-friendly form. Checkmark key features and capabilities. Display and resolution 4.5 digits, 55,000 counts resolution, which allows precise readings. 3.5-inch TFT LCD display with resolution of 480 x 320 pixels. True RMS measurements. Capable of measuring true RMS for AC voltage and current, more accurate when dealing with non-sine waveforms. Wide measurement ranges DC voltage, approximately 50 mV up to 1000 VAC voltage, approximately 500 mV up to 750 volts DC and AC current, 500 microamperes up to 10 A. Resistance, from approximately 500 ohms up to approximately 50 megaohms. Frequency, approximately 10 Hz up to approximately 60 MHz. Capacitance, approximately 50 nanofarads up to approximately 50 millifarads. Temperature measurement via K-type probe, PT100 in some models, probe often not included. Data logging, memory can record up to 1000 data points internally. Logging interval, duration between samples, adjustable from 15 milliseconds up to approximately 9999.999 s. SCPI support and PC connectivity. Supports SCPI commands, meaning you can remote control the meter from a computer. Also has USB, and sometimes RS-232, interfaces for exporting data and streaming readings. Power and models XDM1041, powered by mains AC, bench power. XDM1241, battery powered, lithium battery, useful for portable bench use or field tasks. Safety and build features anti-burn fuse design, spare fuse often included. ABS, plastic housing, designed for bench usage in labs, workshops. Gear technical specs summary. Spec value. Max DC voltage approximately 1000 volts. Max AC voltage approximately 750 volts. DC, AC current 500 microamperes 10A. Resistance up to approximately 50 megaohms. Frequency range 10 Hz to 60 MHz. Capacitance range approximately 50 nanofarads approximately 50 millifarads. Display 3.5 inches TFT LCD, 480 x 320 resolution. Counts, resolution 55,000 counts, 4.5 digits, data logging 1000 points, adjustable interval, 15 milliseconds to approximately 9999 s, bullseye who it's for in use cases. Electronics labs, repair shops, hobbyists who need accurate AC and DC measurements. Testing power supplies, circuits, components, boards. Field engineers using the battery-powered version, XDM1241, when bench power not available. Data analysis and logging, quality control, long-term measurement documentation. Educational institutions for teaching measurement, theory, practice. Hammer and wrench pros and things to consider. Pros: excellent resolution and range for the price. Dual power options, mains or battery, gives flexibility. True RMS plus wide AC bandwidth helps accurate measurements even with non-ideal signals. SCPI support enables automation, remote monitoring. Considerations: probe quality included may not be top tier. Better probes improve accuracy. For very high AC frequencies or very fast transients, the meter might have limitations. Ensure calibration and proper handling of safety when measuring high voltages or currents.